Starting from the back door to where we are now. This is what the backyard garden looks like. These are new plantings. Well, had that spinach for a minute here. This is cilantro and celery. They got transplanted cabbage, grown from the cabbage, dill. That's supposed to be hyssop. And here are all of the leftovers. As we can see, it's a huge mess out here. Apple tree, hibiscus, yellow, red, rose bushes, more stuff that needs to be transplanted. These are the pebbles I'm using and rocks to put in the plants inside. This is all the stuff. Yeah, it's a mess. I want to make sure I got a good couple of videos of all of this. What it looks like now. My rain barrel. That's a blackberry, I believe. Rose bushes. I mass up my daughter's stuff here. Other plants. These used to be sweet potatoes. Making some more dirt up. Working station. Got plenty of water in there. Put these out here at the garage line to get rainwater. And on to the backyard. Okay, this was my tomato circle. And as you can see, it did have a few kales and stuff in here, but the cold snap killed them. No big deal. I was going to fill this area back up anyway. Pepper circle. What was a bell pepper. Thai peppers. This was the raised garden. Along the wall there you can see the failed squash. All of this I'm going to clean up and fill back in. These were potatoes. I thought about them the other night. As you can see, these were red. Those were white. I don't know if they're still alive or not. My grapevines. The watermelon patch. And the side of the yard, which I won't be doing anything to. Here is the garden I left. We still got some stuff that's still alive. Most of it froze. Some of the cabbages and stuff are still there, cold hardy, so looks like they're still here. Looks like the Malabar spinach is gone from the harvest. Those little dark little things, those should be seeds. They take a while to catch on, but when they start growing, they really do. So I'm going to get the blower, blow all of this out, see what's alive. Some of that stuff I got over there, I just going to throw it in the ground. Well, that is the backyard. That's the rest of it. You'll be seen all the way up to the door.